The dispute between British and French fishermen who angrily bumped boats over access to scallop fisheries continues to escalate, and France now says it's ready to deploy its navy. French Agriculture Minister se defend Trovert expressed hope on Tuesday that British and French fishermen would strike a deal to resolve the dispute when they meet Wednesday. He said the Navy is ready to intervene to prevent further clashes. "We can't continue like this, we can't carry on having clashes like this," he told Broadcast News. The skirmish began last Tuesday when a fleet of more than 30 French vessels rammed into a group of 6 British scallop dredgers in international waters off the coast of northern France. Flares, racks and even petrol bombs were flown at the British ships, with one shocked fisherman calling it a sin out of Vietnam. A British fisherman called on the Navy to be deployed to protect them. The route of the conflict lies in the Bay de la Seine, a stretch just north of the Normandy coast famed for scalps. British fishermen are allowed to dredge for scalps in the bay under European Union law, but French law bans the practice for locals between May 15 and October 1, when they reproduce. French fishermen are furious that British ships are allowed to pillage while they are forced to miss out on the valuable oil. "I was under the impression, and I know we were allowed to talk to refugees," Driver said. "I think it probably shows things are a wee bit sensitive here, in fact a lot sensitive." Wake disputed whether Driver was detained, saying she'd been taken to the police station for questioning and had cooperated. He said she breached protocols by not asking permission to speak to refugees in the high-tension environment. "The Midi-coming are not interested in the Pacific, but interested in something else," Wake said. "We knew this all along, and it's sad." News in the Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern said in a statement that she was pleased that Driver had been released. "This government believes in freedom of the press, throughout the world, and of course that includes the entire Pacific region," Ardern said. Ardern is due to join the forum for its final day on Wednesday. She has faced some criticism at home for the extra cost to taxpayers of flying her to Nauru separately after the rest of her delegation had arrived, so she wouldn't have to be away as long from her infant daughter Navy.